Okay, I have a rotovertor motor here. It's 1/3 horsepower. It says 3450, so that means it's a 2-pole. And I put ceramic bearings in it. They look like this. I had to shim it out a little bit. But I put them in, and I just want to show you how it spins. There's no magnets in these type of motors. 3-phase induction motor. So I have another one of these in this bin over here. It's a 4-pole 1800 RPM one. And that one runs on 3 to 4 watts input at 120 volts. And so this one's probably going to be about the same, except it's going to be twice the speed. I haven't bolted it together yet. So my ultimate plan with this is this is going to run this. I've been testing. This one also spins really easy. So that's the plan. I just wanted to make a video of these ceramic bearings, how easy it spins. I got like 12 of them on eBay from a private seller, pretty cheap, for 5/8 inch shaft. And the width of them, try to get like slim design, like not big wide thick magnets. Get a slim design. And I've already ruined a lot of these by getting them dirty. And right now there's no lube at all. I've read that it's best to not even have lube with ceramic bearings, but I don't know if that's true or not. They sell it. Like for skateboarders, they have special lube. But anyways, okay, so that's almost it. I want to say so far I've been testing this a lot, and what it seems to be so far is offsetting the rotors about 5, not very far, but a 5 or 10 degrees offset to the other one. You can create it so the rotor does not slow. The rotor does not slow, but you will see extra draw when the generators are shorted out. So you short out the generator coils, the rotor goes the same speed if you have this offset right. But I am seeing extra draw when you in electrical. So there's kind of two things going on, magnetic and electrical. And you could say mechanical because the rotor magnets are a little bit skewed. So when that slowdown wants to hit from lens reaction, the other magnet that's skewed to the motor coil magnets, because I have motor coils on this side against this rotor here, and generator coils against this one. So I've kind of divided them in two purposes, two windings, motor coil windings, two generator coil windings, and there's a common core, ferrite core, 45 millimeter long. So that's what the design of this is, and so far it seems that you can make it so there's no slowing of the rotor under lens reaction. So that's good. Perhaps a transformer can make it so there's no electrical. Oh. So anyways, there's all that. Okay, thanks for watching.